In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks ClickUp. When related work lives in different lists, ClickUp's relationship column lets you connect those tasks so context and progress travel together. Here's how to set that up clearly and confidently. First, head to ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're in the right workspace. From the left sidebar, open the space that contains the work you want to connect. A space is the top-level area for a team or function, and this choice determines where your new relationship will live. Next, open the place where you manage the tasks you want to add this to, either a list in list view or board view. Both will work. Just open the one your team actually uses day to day so everyone benefits from the new column. At the top of your task table, find the plus button to add a column and select it. This is where you choose which type of field you're adding. If you don't see the option, you may need edit permissions on the list or the space. Ask an admin if it's grayed out. In the field picker, search for Relationship. Click the Relationship option when it appears. This special field is built to link tasks to other tasks, even across different lists, so you can reference work without duplicating it. You'll now be prompted to configure it. Give the relationship a clear, descriptive name. Instead of something generic, pick a label that tells teammates what they're looking at, like dependencies, related requests, or blocked by. Good names make reports and filters easier later. Below the name, choose the related list. Use the drop-down to select the list that holds the tasks you plan to connect to. This defines the scope of what can be linked, keeping suggestions focused and tidy. If your organization uses multiple spaces, be sure you're picking the correct source list. When everything looks right, select Create. ClickUp adds the relationship as a new column in your current view and saves it to the underlying list, so it's available to anyone who can access that work. From here, you'll see a dedicated column designed to hold connections between tasks. Linked items keep their own assignees, statuses, and due dates, but become easy to open and reference in context, which is great for visibility and handoffs. That's it. You went to ClickUp, opened the right space and list or board, added a column, chose Relationship, named it, selected the related list, and created it. Repeat these steps anywhere you want to bring scattered work together with simple, reliable links.